This is it, my 2018 bullet journal. I changed the cover for the third time because I just keep on changing my mind about it. But I think this is it. I'm really happy with how it turned out to be. First change that I did was the spring because it's really thick. I got thick pages. It used to be just this, the pink 1/2 size Zutter spring. So I got the pink one now. I mean the white one. The size is 1 1/4, so it could hold better. Now I'm glad I could turn the pages better. Unlike before, they were all squished and pages seem to be torn really fast. So there. And for the cover, I used the background, the blue one, powder blue cardstock. I got it from Be Happy Crafts. And then this design right here is a sticker paper, just a plain matte sticker paper. And then I printed this design, Wake Up and Be Awesome, I got it from Pinterest. I printed it on a toner printer and I foiled it using this deco foil, rainbow arcoiris. Did I say it right? I'm not sure. But anyway, that's what I used to foil it. And then I colored it. For the top part, I used Distress inks. For the top part, the yellow part that you see is this scattered straw, and this part is twisted citron, and the bottom part I used cracked pistachio. And I wasn't able to get the pink one. I used VersaCraft ink in the middle. I just colored it using my sponge, my craft sponge, and then inside I stamped it using my Hero Arts, my favorite stamp set. I used this stamp and embossed it, heat embossed it with this Tsukineko embossing powder. Okay, so here's how it looked like, and here's how it looked like. And then this one is laminated to keep it sturdy. And I still included my old, this was the second cover. The first one, I can't find it anymore, but anyway, I kept it inside and I made use of this part. I put some pocket sleeves so I could insert more photos or whatever stuff in the future. There. I fused them using my We Are Memory Keepers fuse tool. I could insert pictures there, and I put some glitters on our photo. So here is my stencil, my stamp, my waffle flower stamp, and it's still the same. There. My key and colors. I used Ranger glossy accents for this. It's actually just a toner paper, and then I die cut the letters of my name, and then I foiled it using the glitter foil, and then I put Ranger glossy accents. And then here are the keys. Index. I hate that the ink bled through the paper, but it's okay. I have no choice. And then here's my future log. I got 4 pages for it. January to March, April to June, July to September, October, December. And then I put some of the borders and frames that I like, so I could easily look at it if I needed to create one. Here's my birthday spread and some stickers, foiled stickers of the days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And here, I know this is not supposed to be, I think it's not safe that you'll be writing this, but I really need it. I'm the type who would always look at it. I can't really memorize my important numbers, so there, it's there. I covered it with washi tape anyway. And then here are my to-do lists. I want my to-do lists categorized, so I just put paper on it. I could change this because it's just washi tape. If ever the paper is already filled, I will just have to change it. So these are my personal to-do lists. It's still empty. My work, Crazy for Crafts, Preschool Love. It's my savings log. Here's an envelope, and then this is where I put whatever I save up. And then my bill spread, and water bill, car bill, phone bill, and my leaves and absences tracker, my January spread, month spread, tasks, orders coming, events. I just made the die cut. Hello 2018. And this is my first week. I have my Be Early tracker, goals, some notes. This is for the following week. And then I put some notes already, but the remaining pages are still blank. And then here, this used to be the back page, but yeah, it's flimsy. That's why I changed it into a laminated cardstock. And I made this stamp right here, handmade. And the embossing powder that I used is Ranger Black Sparkles, I think. So it's there. I wasn't able to get it anyway. So oops. So here are the stickers, more foiled stickers of the days of the week. I just insert them here in the pocket sleeves. So there. I like it better this time. I'm really very happy. It won't fit anymore in the bag. I created this bag too. This is felt, made out of felt cloth. I made a die cut of 1, 2, 3, 6 butterflies, flowers. I put a snap on it like that, and these are We Are Memory Keepers eyelets, pink eyelets. And it used to fit when the spring was just this small, and together with the pens, but now it doesn't fit, which leads me, wait, see, it actually still fits. The thing is, you can't close it anymore. So, oh, you can still close it without the pens, but of course I want the pens inside, so they would always be together. Now you can't close it, which brings me into another project. I guess I would have to make a new bag for this. So I will try to make a video of whatever new bag for my bullet journal I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna take it out first. There. Here. So okay. Thanks for watching.